ক্লাস 6 ইংলিশ ফার্স্ট পেপার গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একটি প্যারাগ্রাফ এ ফার্মার শুরু করছি। This person who does the work of farming is known as a farmer. A farmer is a very important person of our country. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. Agriculture is the backbone of our country. A farmer lives in a village. He leads a very simple life. He wakes up early in the morning. He has no enough money. He works hard daily. He works in the rain. He grows food for everyone. He plants seeds in the fields. He is a real warrior. He fights many problems to provide us with food. He still leads a poor life. He does not get a fair price for his crops. He gets pleasure when he gets a good harvest. He plays an important role in our economy. So we should show respect to him. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, এটা তোমরা একটি খাতা সুন্দর করে নোট করে নেবে, তারপর শেখার এবং না দেখে লেখার চেষ্টা করবে। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।